It was one of the most agonizing questions residents in the Palisades and Eaton evacuation zones faced in the early days of the fire aftermath. Did my house survive? Well, tonight, KCAL News anchor Pat Harvey introduces us to one of the first teams to start providing some answers.
For so many who live in fire evacuation zones, for weeks returning home remained impossible amid the rubble behind the checkpoints. Fire Captain James Osbo is part of a CAL FIRE team working to assess the damage.
The fire has to have gone through the area, and then we come in after the fact.
Captain Osbo is touring home sites one by one, then taking photos for LA County's damage assessment maps. It's a somber assignment, often providing residents with their first glimpse of what remains.
Yeah, the photo I'm taking, that's the first time they see their home since the fire. And so, you know, the ones that are standing, I know they're just gonna see their home and they're gonna be excited for that. But for those people that see their home that are burnt, or partially burned or burnt all the way to the ground, that's heartbreaking.
A strip of pink flagging with black polka dots indicates someone like Captain Osbo was here.
And we flag it with our flagging to let it know it's been done.
Ideally, there's a mailbox for tethering. Sometimes there's only a tree branch. As Osbo inspects,
so I check to make sure the door is secured. I've had several homes that the door has been fully open and locked, and so I'm not sure if the homeowner ran out or if it was somebody that came in later, but it is suspicious, so I'm assuming the homeowner potentially ran out. I'll yell in through the home, ask if anybody's in there, and then I'll shut the door.
Every once in a while, he's able to salvage a memory.
Sometimes just inside the perimeter, there's some little trinkets. Yeah, this morning I found a girl's ceramic thing. It looked like it was from Disney back in the day.
Those shattered.
And I ended up finding all the other pieces.
And left them in a mailbox.
So they can glue that back together and put that on their shelf. Other firefighters I've noticed are doing the same thing.
A red icon on the map means a home has been destroyed. Green means damaged. A black icon indicates no obvious sign of damage.
Like this home, for instance, you know, from the front it looks fine. I usually try to start somewhere right by the mailbox, and then I continue all the way around and come back to the mailbox.